Okay, hi guys. Today I'm just going to do a tutorial on how to make a simple RPG game in Scratch. So yeah. Well, I'll start. Face it. So go in the stage and go on backgrounds. Just click edit on the first background. And this is really up to you. It doesn't really matter what you do. You don't have to copy me completely, but I would. For the walls of the room, I'm gonna do an indoor room just for now. I would make the walls brown, or it doesn't really matter what you use, but if you want the cat to collide with these walls, then make all the walls the same color. I'll explain why later. It's just it makes it a lot easier, and just I don't know if it doesn't matter if this really doesn't matter, but when you're indoors, I like to do a black outline around the edge. It's entirely up to you whether you do it, but I just do that most of the time. And then you basically just want to do a few other walls inside. So yeah, just you can hold shift to do straight lines. Yeah, it's entirely up to you what you actually. You don't need to copy me at all. Oops, erase that. Right, just erase that. Right. There we go. I'm not being very exact because this is just a tutorial. I don't need to be exact, but I mean for your game you'll probably want to. Oh well. Okay, so once you've got your background, you'll probably want to shrink the sprite down. By the way, this is just like a top-down view of the room. I know the cat is facing sideways. I mean, I'm just using the cat as an example. I mean, you can paint your own sprite or import it. But yeah. So script you'll need is scripts. Where the green flag is clicked, as always. You'll probably want the sprite to go to its starting position. So I'm making the starting position here. It's really up to you wherever you want. It depends on your room, what you've made. But I'm just going with minus 126 by 54, which is his current position. So if you want to do like an intro, when they do an introduction with the say things, you could do that, but I'm not going to do that because that's up to you whether you want to do that or not. After you've done that, if you are going to do it, put in a forever loop. And then, by the way, this tutorial is sort of incorporating all my previous tutorials just all together to see what you can make from my previous tutorials. So if you want to watch my previous tutorials, there's a link up here. That'll take you to the playlist of my Scratch tutorials. So yes, sorry, blanked out a minute there. Where was I? Oh yeah, I have a tutorial on how to stop sprites from moving when they hit the wall. If you don't understand what I'm about to do, you should watch that because I explained it thoroughly. For now, I'm just gonna not go through all of this, but because I'm just gonna do sorry, I'm not explaining this very well. I'm just going to put in the if statements and all the code for the cat to move and to bounce back when he hits the walls. So yeah, basically, if you don't understand what I'm about to do, just click the link. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to pause the recording and I'll see you guys in a minute. So, once you've done that, if you need the code, that's it there. Just try and fit that all in. Just pause the video if you need that. Okay, again, watch my other tutorial if you need any help on that. So, okay, that's basically all the code for the cat to stop moving when it hits the walls, and for it to move as well. So, yeah. Okay. Now, we need. Oh, Sorry, I've forgotten something. For the background, you need to put in a door for him to go outside. Again, make it the same colour that you've done, so he can't go through the door. So just draw a line up here. It's a bit of a rubbish door, I know, but it'll do. I mean, you can make it much more complex. And then you'll just want to paint a new sprite. All you need to do for this is just, it doesn't matter what colour it is, but I mean black's fine. Just hold down shift and just draw a line about that long. It doesn't really matter how long it is. And then just drag it, down here. Okay, and yeah, so that's in place. This is basically for the transition between the inside the house and outside, like I don't know where it is yet. I haven't done it, but okay. This script you'll need for this is, as always, when the green flag is clicked. You'll probably, I mean, if you accidentally move it, then probably just go to that. That's not necessary, but if you want to do that, then that's fine. And then basically what you need to do is go on looks and then show. And then you'll also need to set ghost effect to 100. What that basically is saying is that for all the sprite scripts to function, it needs to be shown. If it's hidden, with this command here, if it's hidden, none of its scripts will work, like the touching scripts, so it needs to be able to be shown. But you don't really want this black thing here, so what the ghost effect does is its scripts still function, but it's invisible, basically. It's just an effect. So yeah, and then after that, you'll just need a forever if statement. And then you'll just want touching and sprite 1, which is the cat. You might want to rename this, because if you're making a complex game, you'll probably want to know which one's which, because you'll be making more of these for the transition from the outside into the house. So there's going to be at least 2 for every one you do, every transition you have, if you see what I mean. In here, you need to bear with me a second. Oh yeah, you need to create. You need to put this broadcast and wait, and then you just do a new one. And it doesn't. I generally put it as scene change, but it really doesn't matter. Just something recognizable as the scene is changing. And then you'll also want not the broadcast and wait, but broadcast, just the broadcast. Just do another new one, and outside, because this is, you're going outside. And then what you want to do is just where is it? Oh yeah, here. When I receive scene change, hide it. Okay. Oh, and at the end of this forever if statement, you're gonna need just a control script saying stop script. This basically just stops it. Yeah. Later, because we need to go back inside, I'm gonna edit this a bit, but I'll leave it like that for now. So now what you'll need to do is paint a new background. So it's really up to you, but for all walls and things that you want the sprite to collide with, use the same colour that you used. I used brown, so I'm using that. So I'm just gonna draw something quickly. Again, this is nothing special. In fact, it's pretty this is supposed to be a house. Please comment and tell me what you think of my very bad drawing. This is supposed to be a road coming out, and this is just some grass. Well, it's supposed to be some grass. So once you've done that, press OK. Bear in mind, you can always import your own background from like other programs. I mean, you can use other programs like I don't know. I won't go into it, but you can use other programs and then import your backgrounds. So then basically what you want to do is I'm just gonna you need to paint a new sprite. Again, you'll just want something to go over this house bit here so it can go back inside the house. So it needs to be something quite small, just something about that size, I guess. And just put it, if I can get it. Oh, sorry, bear with me. There we go. And just put it there. Again, you'll need the same script. Except, so I just duplicate this. I'll just edit it, and we want him to go to his current coordinates, which is 727. By the way, if you don't understand any of this, feel free to leave a comment, and instead of show, we want hide. We don't need that ghost effect. Hide. And then I think that's all we want, and then basically what you want is when it receives outside, gonna forever if touching sprite 1, you want to do that, and then not broadcast outside but do a new one and go inside instead. That should be alright. You might want to stay inside house if you're going to be doing more than one house, but I've done that now, so I will. And you also want when I receive scene change hide, and I've forgotten something. Just a second. You need to show when receive outside, but set the where is it? Here it is. Ghost effect to 100. Okay, I think that's all you need. So let's just test this. Oh yeah, you also on here. Yeah, that seems to be alright. Okay, you need to any scripts that don't really apply to the sprite, I usually just put in the stage. You want to put look, switch to background 1, which is the inside. You might want to rename this to like home, and then outside. Okay, home, and again you'll need to do this. So I receive outside. You'll need to do this for every background you make. So yeah, switch to background outside, and then also, and I receive scene change hide. Oh, no, not hide. Sorry. Actually, no, you don't need that, do you? No, I'm getting slightly confused now. Also, I've just forgotten something. On the sprite, which is the. This is what you need to name them to remember this one, which is the inside of the home to the outside. You need to. I haven't done this. When it receives inside, yeah, it needs to be shown, and yeah, I'm just gonna duplicate this, but don't do that again. Just leave it on there. So yeah, this looks all pretty complete. Yeah, right, let's test this game out. So they start in there. Always test to make sure everything is working. Oh yeah, that's not working. Why isn't that working? Oh, because I haven't done it on the... Yeah. Every, like, different scene you have, you need to do it on here. For the first background you have, whether it's the indoors or outdoors, you need to have a when the green flag's clicked, switch that, and then also when they receive back inside, switch to background the same. So you'll have two of the same thing there, sort of, but you see what I mean. Let's just test this again, make sure it's working alright. Yeah, I need to do the cat moving. And again, make sure there aren't any faults there when I receive inside. Yeah. It might be worth duplicating that. Yeah, there we go, that works now. Now you just need to do the cat spray. Now what you just need to do is at the bottom, just when it receives all the different backgrounds. I'll do the inside first. You probably want it to go to let's have a look, where do you want it to be? About there, probably, yeah. So 157 by -86. If you want, you can always look on here to see what you want. So yeah, and then do the same for the outside. So when I receive outside, want to let's just switch the background outside. Receive outside, go to about here probably. This all depends on what your game will like. Don't just copy me because it won't be right for your game. So yeah, it should work now. Always test. I think I've said that. Okay. Right, that is about it for the tutorial. Obviously, as you get more stages, it gets quite complicated. But what I would do is in the examples of the Scratch documentation, it has a Fruitcraft RPG in the examples under games, and I would have a look at that. And it's quite a complex game because it has more rooms, but yeah, you can have a look at that. If you have any questions, I've basically just explained this because I mean, you could copy from the Fruitcraft RPG, but you don't really understand what it means, so that's basically the purpose of this tutorial. So yeah, if you need any help, feel completely free to leave a comment. I do tend to read my comments and try to take them into account. So yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll be doing more. Yeah, if you've got any requests whatsoever, feel free. Channel comment or comment on this video, I don't mind. But I'll see you guys later. If you want, yeah, sorry, if you want more videos, then you can subscribe if you want. But I'll be doing some more tutorials anyway. So bye bye.